Hey everyone, so this is just a quick video to show you how to use your Amazon Basics tea kettle, and as the name would suggest, it is very basic, very easy to use. So basically you have the teapot, the tea kettle, and then the base. The base, you need to plug it in, and once you plug it in, the kettle just sits right on top of it. It's really easy to use. You push this button up here, it opens it up, you put water in there, close it down, and when it's on the base, you just push the little lever that's right under the handle, just push it down, and the light will come on. And the light coming on means that it is heating. And this will take, a minute or so. If we wait, we might be able to hear it kind of hissing a little bit as it gets hot. And after about a minute or so of heating, there you can hear it getting going real good there. Now, how do you know when it's done heating? Well, once the water is fully hot, this will turn off automatically. We can just wait for 1 second and I'll show you. When the water has finished boiling, the kettle will turn off automatically. Almost there. It's going to turn off in just a second. You can hear the sound change as the water kind of goes from hissing. You can actually see the water now boiling on the inside of the container. And you can also see through this window, you can see how much water you have in your kettle. And you see if it just popped off, the light just popped off, that means the water is now boiling and ready to use to make tea or whatever. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.